Friedhoft over at Valera Products watched the video of the Gollywock I did before and told me, oh, you need to wind that thing up, let people see what you can really do. Okay. Okay, George. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. Alright. Some walkage on 12 strands of 1/8. Nice, strong, straight climb there. Zoomed in 4 times there and you can see it's they get up there. Yeah, there we go. Now, that is glide, folks. Zoomed in 4 power. Zoomed all the way out. This is what free fly is really about, y'all. You can see the performance of these things is amazing. And I should mention, this airplane actually needs a little bit of work. It's an old piece of rubber. Could be wound up more. But you're watching what's going to be 2-minute plus flight, we'll say that. Something of that nature. See where it is. Yeah, there you go. This won't be a super long flight, but the point is, over 2 minutes on an old piece of rubber. It's kind of cold out here, so it doesn't want to climb quite as well. And frankly, 12 strands of 1/8 is probably not nearly enough. But, yeah. There you go, look at that. Coming in there. A smooth, steady landing. Down. Yeah, so George, I think we accomplished what you wanted. I know they can fly longer, like 4 minutes, but yeah, there you go. Beautiful out here tonight too. Just look at this. Dead calm almost. I mean, almost no chasing to do. Pretty sweet deal. See y'all.